welcome to Dreams Network, and today I'm visiting Roozen Gaarde Flowers and Bulbs. It's a 2024 Tulip Festival. Come on, let's see all the colors in the farm.
That's a big problem. Yeah, you got your bowl.
Hi, James.
Hello. Where's your at? Daddy, wait.
All right, so this is all their flowers, right?
Yeah, and Daddy showed the colors of the flowers.
All right.
This is a purple flower.
What kind of flower is that? Tulip, right?
Yeah, and this is a red flower.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see more flowers. Come on. This is a pink flower.
All right. How about that?
That? Which one?
This one.
We already did that.
What color is that?
Tulips.
No, color.
Purple and red.
And yellow.
Let's see more. No, Daddy, it's just the red sticking. It's just the red sticking off.
Mm-hmm.
Orange flower.
Mm-hmm.
This is a white flower.
You don't even have a ball this whole time.
This is a pink flower. This is a red flower. This is a yellow flower.
Mm-hmm.
This is a dark violet flower. This is a violet flower. This is an orange flower. This is a black flower.
Oh, look at this. It's like a cabbage.
Yeah. This is
Purple?
a purple flower. Come on, let's walk. Guys, let's see more. Guys, this is a pink and green flower.
All right.
This is a white and green flower.
Mm-hmm.
This is an orange and this is a yellow and white flower. Let's see more. Daddy, I want to go in there.
All right. You want to go there?
Yeah. Let's see more, guys. Come on. Daddy, where is the entrance?
I don't know.
Follow me.
color is that?
Purple.
Purple.
I wanna go back here again tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Because they have the basic colors. This is a red flower. Let's see more. This is a yellow flower. Let's see more. Come on, guys. This is a pink flower. Let's see more.
You still want this?
Yeah.
Whatever it was. There's two people who were driving down and they slip of a field that had those two colors together going along the road. I know, I want to go
That's it, guys. Hope you like the video and subscribe to James Network and like our video and you can follow the Tulip Farm on www.tulips.com. Bye bye, guys.